SMS marketing is dead. Nobody is opening your email these days. And a lot of work that your sales team is doing over phone, like qualification, can be automated. Welcome WhatsApp Business API. This is a platform that can sort up to 60% of your sales funnel using WhatsApp as a channel. With WhatsApp Business API, you can send unlimited WhatsApp messages, get a response from your customer using buttons, create interactive chatbots to engage your leads better, customize your sales funnel, and push your leads to next funnels automatically. WhatsApp Business API is an API only platform. What does that mean? It means unlike WhatsApp Messenger and WhatsApp Business, you don't get mobile or web interface. But with telecrm, you can do everything plus create more automations and set up in just one go. Above all, you can view everything in your smartphone. So what are you waiting for? There is a link given in the description. Click on that, fill your information, and we will get you started with WhatsApp Business API.